Well, it's official. The White House's budget director has directed federal agencies to start implementing their shutdown plans after Republicans and Democrats couldn't agree on the stopgap spending bill. The main sticking point really is healthcare. Democrats say that they can't support a funding bill that will impact healthcare benefits for millions of people, and Republicans say that funding and healthcare need to be handled separately, and Dems' refusal to side with them is going to impact the country. Well, the blame game is already well and truly underway. We've been here before, of course, especially under a Trump presidency. This is going to be the fourth shutdown during his tenure, and he holds the record for the longest government shutdown at 35 days during his first term. But before, shutdowns were seen more as a kind of political liability, really, with each side eager to pass the blame on to the other. And in that respect, like I said, this time is no different. But the difference this time is that Trump's White House doesn't really seem to mind closing the government for extended periods, instead threatening to use the time to lay off non-essential workers. This shutdown is really providing the administration cover to fulfill more of its government-slashing agenda. Around 300,000 people have been laid off across the government. This week in particular is going to see the largest mass resignation in US history, as around half of those layoffs take effect. And Trump isn't done yet. He says there's more fat to trim. Today in the Oval Office, for example, Trump said we'd be laying off a lot of people that are going to be very affected. A lot of good can come from shutdowns. We can get rid of a lot of things that we didn't want, and they'd be Democrat things. Now, in recent past shutdowns, hundreds of thousands of employees were furloughed, but the shutdowns did not result in mass permanent layoffs or significant reorganizations. And under federal law, federal workers also receive back pay for their time on furlough, but it is a sense that this is not going to be the case this time around, but we'll have to wait and see.